Genesis, 3.8 liter. This is just a resonator delete that we just did, and it's way too quiet. Listen to it, guys. Go ahead. You can barely hear it. See that? You barely hear it. Again, here's sound decibel. Right at 87. Very quiet. So we're gonna fix that. We're gonna do a muffler delete also on it, because it needs it. It's way too quiet. Again. Sounds so weird. Yeah, definitely always do a muffler and resonator delete on these G80s, especially when they're 3.8. They're not. It's non-turbo, naturally aspirated. So 16 Genesis G80 still was by Hyundai in 16. 17 they went to them by themselves. So it's a Hyundai Genesis G80. All right. 3.8 liter. So it's got converters up there on the manifolds, one on each side. Secondary converters there. Then we did a mid resonator delete, and we'll let you guys hear it. It was too quiet. Then we did a rear muffler delete also, and that'll definitely open it up, hopefully. So we'll see. Stay tuned, because look at the gigantic mufflers that were on it that we took off. They were huge. Definitely needed them off. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. Like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. This is G80, 3.8 liter, naturally aspirated. See that? It's tilting too. Much better. Now it's got some sound. Look at his face. He's happy. Wow. That's loud. Again. That's crazy loud. Here's sound decibel. Wow. 150, guys. You want them loud? Make them loud. Much better. It's crazy how loud it is, bro. I like it. Here's our shop, guys. We're in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. Holler at us if you ever need anything. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. There we go. See if he goes beast mode. Wow, that sucker's quick. That thing's quick. You can still hear it. It's so loud. I love it. Enjoy, guys.